Hi, this is YumongX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make banana bread with really old bananas and pancake mix. This recipe is super easy and it takes only a few minutes.
啦啦啦，雨蒙 X 小雨蒙，啦啦啦。
First, peel bananas. Use 3 large ones or 4 medium to small ones. Then add 2 eggs. Add a little bit of salt to your own taste. Salt is optional. Now just mash the banana and the egg. Mash it until it's smooth. Okay, now we'll add pancake mix. In this recipe, I use Krusteaz buttermilk pancake mix. Add about 2 to 2.5 cups of pancake mix, depending on the consistency that you get at the end. This is the consistency. If it's too thin, you can add a little more pancake mix. You can also add some nuts. In this one, I added some walnuts. Grease a 9x9 baking pan with oil or butter. Okay, now pour the mix into the pan and make it smooth and flat on the top. You need to preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. It depends on what kind of oven you are using. You have to adjust the temperature according to the oven and your experience of using it. Okay, bake it at 325 for about 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, I use a bamboo stick to poke the banana bread. If it comes out clean and not sticky, then it's ready. Here's my banana bread. It is fluffy and moist, healthy and yummy.
YumongX 小雨蒙，啦啦啦。